in front of me is ASUS Zenfone 9 and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock on this smartphone. First of all, you need to access devices settings. Now scroll down and choose security and lock screen. Following that, you need to scroll down again and click on face recognition. Then enter your current screen lock, scroll all the way down and choose next after 3 seconds. Now keep your face in frame and follow all of those instructions until you see 100% mark. Then you need to click on one of those options. I would go with Show All Notifications Content, tap on Done, and choose Turn On at the bottom right corner. Now when I go back, turn off my screen, and then turn it back on. I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!